Hey everybody, welcome back. Today is slime time. We'll be taking a look at 3 very different types of slime, some of which are pre-made and one that we will be making ourselves. These are all varying prices ranging from $2 to $10. But before we get into that, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. All right, first up we have Creatology's Glitter Putty. We found this at Michael's for $2. As of right now, Michael's is the only place we were able to purchase this, but it was only $2 and it has glitter in it, so you can't go wrong. So we're gonna open this one up, see what we've got inside. All right, oh. Taking this one apart, looks like we've got some sections in there. It looks like it's stacked almost to separate the 3 different colors. You've got what looks to be a yellow, an orange, and possibly a pink, but we will dive into those in just a second. This one's almost got like a bubblegum texture without the sticky mess. Plus it's got glitter, which is always great. What I really like about this one is that it does not stick to your hands. It comes off pretty clean. It gets a little stringy, but it pretty much stays in little segments as you play around with it. So this one, it does look to be a bit more orangey pink kind of. Still got tons of glitter, which is exciting. Same texture, which is nice. The consistency is definitely there. The popping sounds that it makes is kind of fun. You can kind of fold it into itself and pop little bubbles, almost like bubble wrap. It's really soothing, and I'm enjoying this one quite a bit. So we've got one more color to dive into. This one came out really easily, and it's got that, look at all that glitter. So this one definitely looks to be a bit more pink, just kind of how it looked in the jar. Obviously it's got some clearness to it, but the pink is definitely there. Still have that popping sound. And if we look back, now this one is starting to spread out. So I'm gonna come back to this first one. They almost look like little glittery pancakes. So now that we've separated all 3 colors, I think the next logical step is to mix them all together and see what happens. What's really nice about this one is that since all the colors were so light and kind of similar, that when it mixes together, it doesn't give you like a gross brown color. It's still really pretty, still really glittery, and still same texture, same feel, and it's still really, really fun to play with. And you've got a bigger ball of slime, which you can't go wrong. So since these are pretty well mixed together, we can't separate them by each individual color, but since this was only $2, we got another one. And when you're ready to call it a day, you can just put it back in the plastic container that it came in and save it for later. Okay, up next we have by Slimy this Tricolor Fluffy Marble Slime. This was $10 purchased at Michael's, which is the most expensive pre-made slime we could find. So I really liked the glitter in the last one, but I'm really excited for the packaging that we've got on this one. And we've got this cute little smiling ghost, which is perfect for the Halloween season. So just from our first impression here, this one does feel to be a little bit softer than the last slime we played with, but I'm really excited to dig in here. The colors definitely pop a bit more in this slime here. So these colors are already kind of combined, which is kind of a bummer from the last one. I had a lot of fun mixing them all together, but I really like how bright and vibrant these ones are. They really mix well together. I really like the way the pink and the yellow are mixing together to make this kind of sunset looking orange. It's really pretty and a lot of fun to play with. Just pulling this one apart, it doesn't seem to be as stretchy as our last one, but it's still a lot of fun. So as we can see, pre-made slime is a really great time. But if you want some real fun, you can make your own. So here we have the Make Your Own Mermaid Slimy Gloop. This was purchased at Michael's for $5. And after looking through the various options of Make Your Own slime kits, this one was the most appealing because it has a lot of really fun added items that you can put into it. And with it only taking about 10 minutes to make, you'll have slime in no time. We're gonna mix 1 spoonful of the sodium tetraborate into the 60 milliliters of water until it's completely dissolved. Next, we're gonna add the glitter glue to the mixture. Feel free to add as much or as little glitter glue as you like. I personally never think you can have enough. Once the glitter glue has been added, you're gonna mix it together in the solution with a wooden stick. So our mermaid slime is super pretty. I love the color. It's really glittery and shimmery, and the sequins definitely add a really fun texture. The more I play with it and it kind of gets dried out, the more sticky it gets. You can see it sticking to my hand, which makes sense because we use glue. So this mermaid slime is only supposed to last about 2 days. Good thing the kit gives you enough material to make more. While it was really a lot of fun to make our own slime, I personally preferred playing with the Creatology glitter putty. I thought the consistency was really nice, it was smooth, it was really stretchy, I loved all the glitter, and it was just overall really satisfying to play with. Thank you all so much for watching. Let us know what slime was your favorite in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next one.